Karnataka schools expected to reopen in August and September, said Education Minister. Delhi government to distribute tabs to class 11 students for online classes. IB schools follow SOPs for remote teaching. Students will have to take open book exams till schools reopen. Curfew ends, no schools till end August, gyms can reopen. Over 2 crore children will be brought back to schools, said Amit Khare. Transformative leaders and academicians welcome national education policy. Maharashtra SSC results 2020. MSP SHE Board Class 10th results declared at markresults.nic.in. Jobs shrink. Some parents consider moving kids out of private schools. National Education Policy 2020. All you need to know. Converting private schools as COVID-19 care centers opposed. Good evening and a warm welcome. You're watching Education News Network, where you get to watch the latest developments in education at the top of this hour. This is Janvi reporting from ENN, and the daily stories are: schools will remain closed and are expected to be opened in the month of August or September in the view of rising COVID-19 cases in Karnataka, said Suresh Kumar, the Minister of Primary and Secondary Education. Karnataka state government has decided to reopen schools in the state in August or September depending on the situation of the infection. Yes, Suresh Kumar, Minister of Primary and Secondary Education, and Sakala of Karnataka said on Tuesday. In a bid to make online classes accessible to all students, especially those who don't have access to smartphones, laptops and internet facilities, the Delhi government has decided to distribute tablets to all class 11th students of Rakchiya, Pradeepa, Vikas, Vidyalayas, including the 5 School of Excellence. There are 21 RPVV schools in Delhi with about 7,000 students. This excludes the students in 1,031 government-run schools. IB schools follow SOPs for remote teaching. Technical support to parents. Homeroom teachers' assistants if students are unable to attend live sessions. Planning lessons keeping in mind every age group's attention span are among the many standard operation procedures that the city school affiliated to International Baccalaureate Board have adopted in their online teaching. Students will have to take open book exams till schools reopen. For a school, setting up a basic online exam platform could cost Rs 30,000 to 17,000 per year. Completely online proctored test with AI assistance could cost 5 to 10 lakh, and nobody wants to foot the bill. Unlock 3 guidelines. Schools, colleges and educational institutions will remain shut till the end of August, the government said in the fresh guidelines issued today. Night curfew has been scrapped altogether, and gyms and yoga institutes that are not in contaminated zone have been allowed to reopen in Lockdown 3, the third phase of lifting of coronavirus-related restrictions across the country. The NEP will have major impact on access, equity and quality, all 3 of them. 1. The universalization of school education will be up to class 12. More than 2 crore children will be brought back to school. In higher education, access will be improved. The GER will be raised from 26% to 50%, which could mean another 3.5 crore seats. The new national education policy approved by the government has been welcomed by ministers, other political leaders and academicians. They welcome the transformative restructuring in the education sector and say the NEP will bring new opportunities for students. Under National Education Policy 2020, cash-rich content will be reduced to its core essentials and make space for critical thinking, holistic, inquiry-based, discovery-based and analysis-based learning. Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education on Wednesday declared the Maharashtra SSC or Class 10 board exam results on its official website. A total of 93.32% of students have passed the examination. Students who have appeared in the Maharashtra Class 10 board examination can check their results online at marresults.nic.in. For Kashmira's family, educating their daughter Rukhsana in an English medium private school was an aspiration they had achieved by pulling together their income from scrap collection. But reeling under financial duress, they, like many families across Delhi, are now looking to switch to government school. The Union Cabinet on Wednesday approved the new education policy NEP. One of the major decisions, the Cabinet has renamed the Ministry of Human Resource and Development as the Ministry of Education. The Cabinet meeting is chaired by the Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi, said INB Minister Prakash Javadekar. The Kumbakonam Education District Unit of Tamil Nadu Nursery, Primary, Metric, High Secondary CBSE Schools Association has opposed the conversion of private schools as COVID-19 care centers. In a resolution passed at the Executive Committee meeting at Kumbakonam on Wednesday, the association said that the government school first make use of educational institutions under its control for setting up the centers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Education News Network. For more such videos, log on to website www.dnn.com. Do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Signing off, Janavi.